welcome to Vlogmas day 18, guys. Today is December 17th and I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning. I've been quite a busy bee. I fell asleep last night while watching some TV and I woke up at 6 a.m. So I got like 10 hours of sleep, which is pretty good. And I'm just working on this here right now. It's financial stuff. So you guys know I live in Austria, I work in Germany, and because of that I basically always have to fill this stuff out every year, because otherwise they're just gonna have me pay a bunch of like taxes and stuff, like special taxes, if I don't hand this in. So I don't want to do that, obviously, so I have to fill this out, and I thought I had to go to my financial department and have them sign it, because I thought I had to go every 2 years, but it says here if I went either for 2018 or 2019, then I'm good if nothing has changed. And I'm not working here in Austria, obviously. I only have my flight attendant job. I don't work like a second day job or anything, so I don't have to go there this year. So I just have to fill it out, and I just like won another 2 or 3 hours, which would have taken me to like go there and then wait in line and stuff. So yay, I'm excited. Not excited to fill it out, but excited that I don't have to make the way to the other side of town for this. Look how many doors are already open. So there's 17. It's right here. Let's see what there's in stock for today. Oh, I know what that is. That's a squirrel with like a nut in its hand, isn't it? Cute. I'm just about ready to head to the shopping center. Just need to grab a few things for lunch because I am making a quinoa bowl, and I think I'm going to show you guys how I make it. And I'm going to take my GoPro to the shopping center and see how it does there. I'm currently vlogging on my phone, so it's probably a little shaky because turns out my GoPro was at 0%. because I charged it with an old charger, and it appears that the old charger is broken. So let's see how the phone does. I don't think I have filmed much of this. I filmed a little bit in Hong Kong with the phone. When we went to the island, I filmed the night scenes with the phone because the GoPro in like low light, it's just crap, to be honest. I'm back home. I got everything I wanted. I'll show you what I bought. And I'd say it's a pretty healthy grocery haul. So I got some baby spinach, some lemons, one apple, 2 bananas, some tomatoes, and some Feta cheese. We'll need all of this. So it's baby spinach, sweet potato, apple, quinoa, Feta, lemon, tomatoes, and beets, pickled beets. First of all, I'm peeling this sweet potato. Now I'm cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Now let's add this to a bowl. Let's add a little bit of oil. Now let's add the chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. Mix it up with your hands. Put some aluminum foil on a baking tray and fold the ends up. That way the oil that's on the potatoes right now can't really move anywhere. let's add the sweet potatoes. Make sure you spread them a bit, because otherwise they're not gonna get like crunchy. They don't really have to get that crunchy though, but you want all of them to be cooked well, or baked well in this case. I preheated my oven to 180 degrees centigrade. And now let's put this thing in. And I'll set the timer for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we can measure our quinoa. I'm just gonna use 50 grams of quinoa, I think. I'm bringing 100 milliliters of water to a boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to wash the quinoa. I just added the quinoa to the boiling water. I'm just gonna have that simmer for about 15 minutes. I'm now washing the baby spinach. Let's add the baby spinach to a bowl. Now let's cut some feta into small pieces. I just washed the tomatoes and the apple, and I'm slicing the apple in very tiny slices, and I'm also slicing the tomatoes. The quinoa is done. Let's add some beets, like pickled beets. Now let's season this with salt. I'll also add black pepper. And I'll add some chili. Now let's make sure that everything is mixed. Our roasted sweet potatoes are doing well. We can now add everything to the bowl. The one sweet potato I roasted and the quinoa I made, like 50 grams of quinoa, that's basically for 3 portions. And the rest of the stuff I used a third of the Feta package, so that's for 1 portion. I used a third of the tomato package, like 5 mini tomatoes, and that's a third of the package, and I used 1 apple for it. Oh, and by the way, what we can also do is we can add this, like the juice of 1 lemon, to our quinoa. And it's done. Doesn't it look really, really yummy? I can't wait to eat this. It looks so good. It's one of my favorite dishes, and it's very, very healthy. It's vegetarian. If you want to make it vegan, just don't use the feta. and you're good. My flatmate is awesome. She just ordered some sushi for me. Like, she texted me and I didn't respond, and then she was like, hey, I ordered sushi for you too. Nice, right? That's all the sushi my flatmate ordered, and she's just standing next to me laughing. You want to be in the vlog?
Thank you.
No, she doesn't want to be. She ordered for like 10 people. Guys, like, how awesome is my roommate for just ordering sushi for me and treating me to sushi? Like, that's just amazing. My flatmate is the best. Like, thank you, Mariela. Thank you. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here because I somehow just accidentally fell asleep. I just woke up and was like, oh, I just fell asleep watching some TV. I saw that the new season of Fuller House is on Netflix here in Austria. So I was just watching the first episode and somehow I fell asleep. I guess I was tired, I don't know. I think it was like 10 p.m. already, so it's fine. So I just woke up. It is 6 a.m. so I got 8 hours of sleep, which is good. So technically it's the day this vlog will go up. I'm just gonna start editing it now. My alarm was set for like 6:30 anyway, so that's good, right? And I just woke up in time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. I thought it was something you guys enjoyed when I did that meal prep video. Like, this is amazing for meal prepping as well. If you just want to take like the quinoa bowl with you, it's gonna be fresh for a couple of days. So like I said, it's good for like 3 portions. So if you're cooking for yourself, you're gonna have 3 meals. You can probably, like, freezing it probably won't work too well because like freezing the ingredients, I'm not sure how the spinach will react. The sweet potatoes are good if they're frozen. I've done that before. So that's something that you could do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure that you click on the little bell icon below as well, because otherwise you're not going to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.